Hey, it's Andy with the Reverb Tone Report. Today I'm looking at the Clover from JHS, a pedal based on an unforgettable boost from the early 80s. The Clover Preamp is a reimagining of the short-lived FA1 boost from Boss's Pocket series in 1984. At the time, this FET-based boost was designed to be an always-on effect that contained active bass and treble controls, a rad green finish, and a belt clip so you could play the guitar and run around on stage or roller skate with a fat boost at your side. Now JHS Pedals have revived this circuit, which is known for its rich, uncompressed tone that has been favored by the Edge for decades. Along with bass and treble controls that cut or boost by 15 dB, an important mid-range control was added to help you match this pedal to your guitar and amplifier. Plus you'll find a global low-cut switch and a balanced XLR output with a ground lift to give bass and acoustic players a well-deserved taste of this versatile tone-shaping boost. And for extra support, I'll be including the Whitey Tighty Compressor from JHS. Also using FETs for a quick response, this compact pedal can wipe out transients or be your go-to for chicken pickin' tones. The included clean blend will help retain the organic feel of your guitar, while the compression adds sustain and balance to your string volume. You can find both the Clover and the Whitey Tidy from JHS right here on Reverb. Let's start off with the stock position, which is no mids, so you just get bass, treble, and a huge amount of output. Notice in those higher boost settings, you could back off on the bass and still have a nice fat sound, but extra clarity and note definition, especially with the neck position. Besides the addition of a stomp switch, there are quite a few other advantages with the Clover over the original. Take the mid-range for example. You could move it back and get sort of a scoop sound, or crank it up and really help those pickups push through, especially this bridge humbucker. And if you want a pure uncolored FET-based boost, just head over to the no EQ setting and just crank it up to your heart's content. Before we explore that though, let's check out the Whitey Tighty Compressor, also from JHS. This one has a clean blend and a very classic compressor sound. So we'll dial in the compression first and then kick on the Clover, which shouldn't add any coloration, just more output to drive my amp. You could also put some dry signal back into the mix. Well, there's your look at the Clover Preamp and Boost from JHS Pedals, and you can find it along with the Whitey Tighty Compressor right here on Reverb. Thanks for watching.